A storm in the night, choirs hum, horizons ignite. It always rumble, the heart beats fight. The sky splits open, flooding with light. Climbing peaks, no summit to see. Dreams stretch wider than infinity. Echoes bounce off eternity's wall. No chain, no ceiling, no limits at all. Feel the fire is burning deep. Awake the giant, no time to sleep. We are limitless, boundless, free. Shattering the sky, rewriting the sea. The drop hits hard, the world stands still. We bend the cosmos, bending our will. Futures woven, threads of gold. Stories untold, destinies bold. The air hums with the sound of belief. Each moment fleeting yet so brief.